to the Up and Life Show. I'm your girl, Dilka Bronas. Dragon All-Star and the Wheels of Steel, Breads, Mad One, 5Q, DJ Rick, big up on yourself. This is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11, and we're sponsored by The Granaries that is located at 6 Overton's Yard in Croydon. Make sure that you go over to their Instagram page and you check out their weekly events. That is where you need to go on a weekly basis. All right? And on a weekly, here on the Up and Live Show, you know that we bring to you some special people. And this week is like no other. We have Ricky Spanish Town in our studio this evening, who's going to be chatting to us and giving us some information. Ricky, what go on, my G? Yeah, you have to talk in other talker phone because the people that need, yes, the people that need to hear your voice.
Yeah.
Right? Thank you for joining us this evening. How have you been?
Yeah, I'm good.
And life is treating you well?
Yeah, so far.
Cool,
yeah.
no, man. So a lot of people, you're from North London?
No, South.
You're from South London.
Yeah.
But you're well known North side, East side. We can't say West side. No.
Walla
London, no, Ricky.
Or 32
Right?
boroughs.
Yeah.
Right. And a lot of people know you because of event promotions. You plan and execute events. And the reason for you being here with us this evening is to have a conversation about an up-forwarding event that is happening 4 months from now.
Yeah.
So people have time. Now talk to us about the UK Met Gala that will be happening on the 17th of December.
Yeah, well, the UK Met Gala is an event where I try to do with a bit of difference. You get what I say, where people can come out and have a good time, and you get me.
And it is celebrating what exactly? What are we trying to, what's the emphasis and the reasoning behind creating the UK Met Gala?
Well, we as Jamaican, yeah, we like fashion. You get what I say? And
Yeah.
me a person like this, me been a go a party for years, and party used to do at a place where fashion used to be an essential part of dancehall, you get
Yes,
me? So
most definitely.
now it kind of lose that.
That flavor.
Yes, so
Okay.
may I try to do something to bring it back, and like a all inclusion thing as well, where everybody included.
Okay.
Yeah,
And
it's
this is, sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, what may I say is not just for Jamaican or just dancehall, like a more diverse thing where you get me, everybody can come together
And feel included.
and enjoy themselves, and people can say, rah, Jamaicans can party and
Yes.
in a love and unity and no foolishness. You get me?
And this is the third staging. This is the third year you'll be hosting the UK Met Gala.
Yeah,
And this year is the Hollywood affair.
yeah.
So people need to forward out into crop tops and leggings and sneakers, don't?
No.
What people need you have to tell me what people need
Well,
to wear.
what we are trying to do, we are trying to bring back a bit of class in the event, in the party. You get what I say, where people can dress up. Cause party nowadays where it's more about designer clothes now. You get what I say? And
Yes.
we used to go there party one time where the ballroom dress them. And the tuxedo them and them thing there. And a whole heap of people have them there in them closet where them pay expensive money for to.
So so is it gonna be a red carpet affair where we know you have the paparazzi, the picture man, quote unquote, outside, and we are walking by the red carpet and we can dress nice, you know?
Yeah,
In a
definitely.
3-piece suit, you know,
Yeah.
from one funeral or my wedding suit when I have worn a one corner one time. You know,
Yeah,
I just come out nice
100%.
and clean.
Yeah, man, 100%, man.
And,
So
and
you said this Met Gala will be the one with the difference. What's different about this one from the others?
Well, that one you know, we are trying to step it up a little notch from the previous ones. We are in, like, what you would call it now?
Leggings and trainers and them shit there.
people
No, the previous ones wasn't no leggings and trainers. Cause if you watch the video, everybody
were dressed up.
well attired.
No.
for you.
Right.
I'm saying you're trying to put a standard on it. You just make an effort.
Yeah, where you have to make an effort. So that's why I do this from now, where nobody now have no excuse to say, oh, me turn up in a trainers and jeans, cause I know that the type of event.
right.
Okay,
And,
so talk us through some of the attractions on the night.
Well, on the night, we have JC Lodge, as you know, we have her before in a 2021.
yes.
Yeah, we have Little Quiche,
Yes.
where my daughter a bad
Talk
artist.
it loud now, my G.
Yeah, and she have some song where international songs them, but
And she's-
them now get the push where them supposed to get. So
Right.
may I showcase her on my event, make
Right.
people can hear say yeah, she have songs where
Which
you
is
can
right.
walk in a Arads and hear
And
them
hear
a
them
play in there
playing.
as well. You get what I say?
And we
So-
all,
so-
wait,
so-
and he's not one more person to perform on the night.
Yeah, and then we have the bongo drum man, which Desi B, where
Right.
him bring a vibes different, something different to.
Right.
And then the lineup of DJs them, you get what I say? Where
Definitely.
Who's
we are
lineup?
bring Super D and Cold Step where you know say them are more
Them
house
bad-
and
yes,
garage.
definitely.
We have Studio Express where you know say as Souls. We have Andrew Fresh and Johnny are play together as a team.
Right.
Where you know say Andrew bad, Johnny bad, but then extra bad when the two of them
Together.
team up. We have Spangy British and Swiver where
Yes.
you know Spangy bad, Swiver bad, when then team up,
It's a good
then
combination.
bad again.
Definitely.
You get me?
Right, this-
And this is a dinner, dance, and award ceremony.
Yeah, it is.
And so the award ceremonies, the categories that we're seeing here includes best dressed female, best dressed male, best dressed couple, most creative female, most creative male,
yeah,
and most iconic female and most iconic male.
yeah.
Is there? Do you have a favorite person that you? I mean, because there are categories that are here that you can think about prior to forwarding
Yeah.
to the award ceremony.
Yeah.
So is it that people can vote? Is there a voting system, or is it that they're going to be selected on the night of? the
Or
event?
you select the people?
Or is it you selecting?
No, I don't
the
select anyone.
Talk to us about the
like
selection
with
process.
with the best dressed male, best dressed female, best dressed couple, most creative male, most creative. We have independent judge where a top designer. On the night where I go judge them. So people have to come out early cause the awards say that I give away at 9 p.m.
Yeah.
sharp.
Okay.
So people have to come out early if them want to have a chance to win an award.
Okay.
You can't turn up 11 o'clock and expect you go
To
come
be-
in at the bodysuit and then you go get awarded. It not go happen.
So is
Yeah.
it that?
Go ahead, one question.
Go
like,
ahead.
Yeah.
So all the patrons gonna know that these awards are fair and be judged fair and it's not done by favoritism.
Yeah, because the judge them when me I try for use. Number one, they're not from the dancehall scene
Okay.
or from Fiwi culture.
Okay.
Yes.
So
they're
them don't
neutral.
know anybody where
Personally, to say,
So
okay.
But
Okay.
you know all the Jamaican diaspora stake, especially the dancehall crowd,
Right.
they're gonna say, oh, this person probably know this person, so it's favoritism. Because if you just make it clear and,
Yeah.
and transparent,
yeah.
people want to know, say, yo, it's been judged out in the public where everybody can say, yo, this person judge you rare. And they don't do behind a door and behind corner.
Yeah, but if you look on my Instagram page, me show you one of the judge. A judge that a designer that way in a Vogue magazine.
Okay, so the
So you know,
information
say,
is on the
A
the
proper,
Instagram
you
page.
get what me
Yeah.
say.
Right.
Remember, you cannot please everybody. Jesus try and him still get crucified.
True. That's
So
not true.
you can't please everybody. You
That's
still
true.
all when you give a person when 99 people are say other person they deserve it, you will still have one that say no, I should have somebody else.
True.
Yeah.
So you can't please everybody, and me separate myself from it. The promotion separate itself from the
From
judge,
Ricky.
from the award bit.
Right.
The only thing me I got involved in are the iconic award.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where me in a the
Dancehall space.
Right.
so me feel that now at the team now I go decide say all right, that person yeah pay them dues in a
In the
Dancehall.
dance hall for this
Yeah.
time.
contribute for a certain amount of time, being relevant then still relevant
No.
now. So that is like an
Yeah.
acknowledgement award.
That-
As you
you-
speak
and-
about
and-
contribution, Ricky,
I said I'm receiving
Ricky Spanish
everything.
Town, like
I said I'm receipt.
you speak
I said
about
I'm receipt.
contribution and you speak
Yeah,
about
right.
inclusion.
Yeah,
I realize a lot of these iconic dance,
yeah.
they're not inclusive to the younger crowd. Why is that?
Well, at the end of the day, sometimes it have to do with the DJ where a person choose, and that's why I try to switch up the DJ them now.
I like the selection that you've made.
So
If you
expensive.
choose mature DJ.
Yeah.
The younger crowds now go turn up.
But
If you
a
could-
DJ lineup is a bit of a mature crowd. It's not
That's
really.
what-
no,
That's
not,
what you're saying.
not really, because we
It's
have
mixed.
soca DJ we play upon float at Carnival.
Yeah, but Carnival is
Yeah.
not really in our diaspora in terms of the dancehall. In
And
terms
that's-
of the diversity of
Yeah.
the DJ, because I don't know if a lot of people think about dancehall this way at the moment.
Yeah.
In dancehall in England now, you have two dancehall.
Yeah.
You have the one for the younger crowd,
Yeah.
and you have one for the older folks.
Yeah.
And you have certain DJ who play for the younger folks predominantly.
Yeah.
And you have certain DJ who play for the older crowd predominantly. Like Andrew Fresh double in both sides, but
Yeah.
you have certain DJ who play
Yeah,
for
well,
the
let
younger
me
crowd.
explain that a bit more.
Yeah.
For instance, Spangy British and Swiver.
Play for the older crowd
Well,
predominantly.
No.
Let me explain that to you. Spangy British keep 2 parties a year. One named GQ Meet Vogue.
Yes.
That are more mature patrons attend that party. Him keep one when he Wagga Whirla Girls.
Whirla
Yeah?
Swag, yeah.
That are the more younger crowd. And that Ramadan the GQ Meet Vogue. You get what me I say?
Yeah.
Andrew Fresh, Johnny them play for everybody.
You're right.
Cool Step them are house DJ.
English
The
crowd.
younger English crowd, young, old, and Studio Express them
Commercial.
them play for everybody same way.
And I think one thing we have to realize, as
Yeah.
you pointed out earlier, this is not just a dancehall kind of event. You're trying to incorporate and bring other
Yeah.
cultures, other people to make it
Exactly.
more diverse and not,
Exactly.
oh, this is the UK Met Gala dancehall
Once the
No,
white
no.
people.
dancehall recognition.
Yeah.
So yes, a lot of dancehall icons will be recognized and will be in support of it because you're from the dancehall space. But
Yeah.
the vision that you have is that it will not only
Spread
it
far
will
and
spread
wide
far
and-
and wide
yeah.
outside of
No
the
limit to
dancehall diaspora,
dancehall,
which is
no.
a very good thing.
Yeah.
If it starts with us and it branches out and brings people in, which is, I mean, it's a good event. It's a third stage in which is very
Yeah.
good. That means it is growing and it is going on very strong.
Yeah.
You have a very good team based
Yeah.
on what you've been sharing.
Yeah.
And so it is happening on Sunday, the 17th of December at the Decorum, 22 Western Road, London, N22 6UH. That's the postcode. So
Yeah.
it's not a secret location
No.
kind of vibe. People know where they're going.
Yeah.
People know what they can expect.
Yeah.
So in terms of that, let's speak about admission.
Yeah.
Yes,
Let's speak
ticket
about
prices.
admission, ticket
Yes.
prices.
Talk to us about the tickets.
All right. With the ticket price now, me start the early bird ticket them at the early bird dinner and dance ticket at £60. You can get them for
Let's listen.
you
Let's
can
listen.
get them
Yeah.
for Eventbrite, and that include you get champagne reception upon arrival, you get canopies, you get 3-course meal which includes starter, main and dessert.
Yeah.
Yes.
You get me, and then fit top it off. Yeah, in a top of the line luxurious venue.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah, that-
And you're there from start till finish.
Yeah.
Because you're there for the dinner, you're there for the dance, and you're there for the award
And
ceremony.
the dance only, and the
everything.
dance only.
And the dance only for now at 30. So
30.
get the early bird ticket them. Them are going to raise up to 70 for dinner and dance and 40
Yo, me
for-
not lie.
For the dance only.
40 on the door for dance only.
No, it are going to raise up soon. So it early I better.
So
Okay.
what could patrons expect to pay on the door, like last minute patrons?
well, we are trying to avoid that because you see with
100 pound.
most of these venues, yeah, them not
Limit.
ticketed
Yeah.
events, you know.
Are just regular ticket. I'm not talking about early bird. 40 pound for standard.
Yeah, and
So-
£70 for dinner and dance.
So
yeah.
what about the VIP section? Because you cannot have a red carpet if you don't
Without
have
the
a VIP. Because at any idea if me dress up nice,
Yeah.
more buy one ticket and over there so we at least one little something draw for
No
me know say,
coming now.
me pay more than one over there.
No
so.
coming now.
No, well, you see the venue.
Yeah.
The venue is already a VIP venue, you know. So,
So you get-
we
All right,
still,
VVIP.
Eh?
VVIP
So we
then.
still can consider that now that you bring it up. You get what me I say.
So
But
something
true-
to think about.
But true, we are trying to make it be an all-inclusive event. Because remember, celebrity is by them status and where them achieve.
Yeah.
True.
But them a human being like ourselves. So
At the
we
end
would
of
have liked if you can know say celebrities can come and enjoy themselves amongst we where a non-celebrity and still feel happy and comfortable.
But we know the dancehall scene go Ricky Spanish show.
Yeah,
like,
but it's not a dancehall event, so I don't want you keep on and say the
no,
dancehall.
I know it's not a dancehall event, but I'm predominantly from the dancehall scene.
Yeah.
And I like to come to your event and say, I'm representing the dancehall scene. If a man want to represent that scene over there, more know so I turn up, I know what I'm all about. I know say a dancehall I represent, I mean more in a VVIP, I mean I'm nice suit and want everybody to say, yo, this me have on a yes somebody. And everybody want expensive backlit have put out this and make everybody know say me buy that.
Hey, man, I like doing it.
Yeah, but you see, how me look on it, yeah? Sometimes you go the extra mile. Like, for instance, me go to some event sometime and me see VIP area, and then when you see the unruly people, then me don't ever come in like a VIP. You pay how much money for that
and
space.
it's just a regular
and
space.
People just come bombard, and you get what me I say, and them a enjoy and I get that fun them more than you. You get what me I say.
Or the next thing Ricky Spanish where you could do cabanas, because cabanas is like a private
in a
VIP.
venue like that. Have you seen the venue, brother?
No, but I see cabanas in ballroom style. You could do some cabanas in a ballroom setting. So a man knows say me have my table, me have my section, is my private VIP. Me have 8 people over here, so I mean know I'm my VIP. If nobody unruly over there, it must be my people.
Well, the UK
Now
Met
we
Gala.
have private room at the venues and
Private
some
room,
stuff.
one buck like,
where-
I'm sold.
Where you can
I said private
separate from certain things if you really want to. You get what I mean?
Definitely.
I do like the concept.
Of course.
Yeah,
and I mean,
man.
it's the third staging, and people have been there before, and people have forwarded out for 3 consecutive years to support the
Yeah,
Met
and
Gala.
so far we don't hear no negative. Everybody will come at the event or who not come and be a positive.
As what me I say, you see something earlier in the conversation, the price,
Yeah.
Normally, they know the person say, yo, pricing needs to be right.
Yeah.
But if you have a food entry, or drinks forward and then something too.
You have drinks and you have canapes upon arrival.
That's the thing. I'm trying to say, incorporate £60 a lot of stuff.
Exactly. And that's £60.
That, to be fair,
for dinner.
makes sense. Like,
It make more than sense, man. Cause remember we have pay sometime 20-30 pound going at some little venue and
we have to wait on the postcode for 11:30, 12 o'clock.
And then when time the party done, you still have to spend another £20 buy a piece of jerk chicken where sometime.
Yeah.
So
you get what I say? So
I'm Ricky. I come from Kingston, you know what I say. So when we are forward there, we are talking about this count deal, CMA still, you see me?
Link me half the year, man.
Because
you go say that now and me agree to it. You go have
no,
a million people.
I agree to what I say. There's always that deal for making it.
All right, ladies. So the event, again, we just want to remind people, the 17th of December, which is a Sunday evening, it is happening at the Decorum over in North London.
Yeah.
Tickets are being sold on Eventbrite. Early bird tickets are now available.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, get your tickets now because the prices are
and
going up shortly.
And paper ticket as well if anybody
so where so people so do you have ticket outlets?
Yeah, because I just get the ticket a couple of days ago, so I not drop them off yet at no outlet. But
so there will be ticket outlets so people can forward.
Yeah, we are circulate that.
Where would
like
they be?
In a couple of days.
He hasn't sorted that out, but you can follow the Instagram page for more details on that. And just to remind people, Real Recognize Real alongside Ricky will be doing the event. So if you don't know the event, if you've been here, if you're just hearing about the UK Met Gala, it's been happening for 3 years. More information, check out their Instagram page. So we'll be having entertainment provided by Lily Keish, JC Lodge, Desi B on bongo drums. I think, and it's a good mix as well.
Yeah.
The DJs as well. We have DJ Super D, Cold Step, Andrew Fresh, and movie star Johnny. Aquarius is going to be?
Yeah, Aquarius
Disco and the team. Studio Express, Spangy British, and DJ Swivo. And a special guest is on the bill as well.
Yeah.
Looking forward to seeing who that...
People you never know.
Special guest, you know.
It could be Valiant.
Could be
You never know. It could be Bounty, it could be Beanie, it could be Freddie.
Don't know.
You never know.
It's going to be hosted by Princess Britannia, and video will be done by Video Rope. So we don't know some people.
Sasha.
Forever Sasha is also involved as well. The host with the most will also be involved. So we are going to have a conversation because we want to make sure that people are kept abreast with what is happening for this event on a weekly basis. You know, we're going to have a chat. Yeah. And if people need tickets, people can go over to the Instagram page. The link is in the bio of the UK Met Gala's Instagram page. So click the link in the bio, buy your tickets. Make sure so you know, remember it's a Hollywood edition, you know. So no door forward and no in no other edition than
In
the
no
Hollywood
leggings and
fashion.
Jordan.
Let me explain something to the public. You see this event here,
Yes.
it's not an event where you have to go spend £10,000 on an outfit or $5,000. That event here, yeah, it's more about your creative sense. You get to and your eye for fashion.
Yeah.
So you could have be a person where you make an outfit out of even cardboard box.
Right.
And you turn up.
Because it's the
You can't win
creativity
the
that we're
award,
looking
'cause
for.
the event is more based on fashion and your creative sense.
Yes.
Not about who are wear the most expensive design. You get me? So
Yes.
that's why I'm trying to do this from now so people can have time to
plan.
brainstorm, decide
Yes.
how they want to turn up.
Right.
You get what I say?
Right.
And get it right and have a chance of winning the award. You get what I say? And help
Definitely.
we grow the event to something bigger and better. And also, more everybody remember, say, nobody not excluded from it.
Everybody's
You
included.
get me? No matter your background, your race, your creed, your
Anything.
sexuality,
race.
Cool.
you get what I say?
Cool, no, man.
Everybody included.
And therefore, people are going to forward out and have a good time on Sunday. It's a festive month. It's December,
Yeah.
leading up to, Christmas is going to be close to the date. So people are going to forward out and have a good time. Ricky, thank you for forwarding here and having a chat with us. We do appreciate it. And we will definitely be supporting the UK Met Gala 2023.
So, Ricky, before you go, why didn't you Met Gala?
Well, why it name
Because
Met Gala?
Met sound like the police thing, like me just asking. It sound like London police. So I don't,
Metropolitan.
why, yeah.
No, because here what now. Remember, you have the Met Gala America as well,
Why is
A
it
year-
Metropolitan?
No,
Gala?
no,
Dragon
a
City.
gala we keep America where the whole of the celebrity them
It's
go,
called
so.
Met Gala in the US as well. Yeah.
So,
So it's the UK version of
so
that.
may I try with the UK version?
Cool, no, man.
You get what me I
Nothing
say?
wrong with that.
And it's a very good and powerful name, but me still I look for switch up.
I mean, when in due time, when the time is right, you'll
Yeah.
find the right name to make it grow and improve. But right now, UK Met Gala, I think it is working.
Yeah, but me want to finish answer.
Yes.
Yeah, what the question you ask like.
Yeah.
When people hear that the name Met Gala, yeah, me not have to do much explanation.
Everybody knows.
Them know say a dress up type of event.
Yeah. Yeah.
Creativity.
And that's the
Yeah.
purpose. Thank you so much for passing through, and we will definitely be speaking to you more off the air about this event. Ladies and gentlemen, it is 2 minutes past the hour of 10 o'clock. I mean, to the hour of 11 o'clock. Time is finished.
Yeah, man, you lose your marble a while ago, but the party, me don't know what I go and look like, so me can't just go down a River Island or down a Zara.
No, we have to go Vauxhall, man.
No, brother, me have to go link with one tailor.
Want the breads, man?
Yo, hear me
No,
say the
not
best.
breads.
Aye, well, it's
Breads.
about Vauxhall, yeah.
You have to go link a tailor and get
Well,
a
I
thing.
know,
We're gonna finish in 1 minute.
Suited
guys.
and booted. Remember, I
Same
know,
Vauxhall,
custom, you know.
yeah.
Anything
Ragga-
more, me don't want to see one boy in that thing. 'Cause if one boy come in the same suit, you have to lift up, you know.
I mean, I say,
Yeah, you have to come
You have to lift
stand
up.
out.
if Ragga do forward, yeah,
Yeah.
Ragga have to win a different award. Because Ragga creativity different.
Yeah, but you never know because you have some man where you plan for that.
Nobody
event
can
like
beat
you
Ragga Reggae
know,
outfit. Listen, Ragga Reggae forward.
Brothers, when I say you have some man where deal with fashion different to see
And they wait for certain events for
yeah,
it
and
to
them
forward out.
anticipate the event
Yeah.
same
Ricky,
way.
Ricky,
So,
yeah,
Ricky.
and
yeah.
remember, I know we are judge it, you know.
We
We are
know,
independent judge, so it's all about how you come out on the night. You get what I say?
So 17th of December, the Decorum. Make sure someone gets on the tickets. Ladies and gentlemen, 30 seconds before the show ends, make sure that you don't forward over Granny's Nightclub's Instagram page. Check out their weekly events. That's our sponsor. Dragon All Star is going to take us out.
And you know what I think of people? Granny Race this weekend, remember Friday night, catch me down there, right?
Yes, Boodlicious Babes.
Me feel like me have some whole of change.
Really?
Yeah,
Really?
in my blues change, man.
Leave me alone. Yeah, so when you work hard, you're supposed to can treat yourself.
All right, sir.
You know?
Yeah,
I've been working hard all week.
yes.
I'm going Granny Race
this
weekend.
weekend.
That's your way.
Cool, no, man.
That's just so, Mike. You know, people have to eat sometime. So you go. People, you know what I think? Love your brother, love your sister, love ruling everything you do. You know, I want to read a book in them, so brain poison, main power. Until next week.
See you next week. Bye.